This is a Fisher-Price keyboard for kids. You can turn the volume up and down. There's different buttons, so you can change it to the animal sounds, so they match the picture. Back to music. You can play different songs. You can record and play it back. This piece just plays as well. This will switch the song up. And then you can use a record, like it's like a turntable there, that kind of a noise. The speaker is really clear. Like I said, the volume buttons, that's as high as it goes. And it gets pretty quiet as well. And then there's an on-off switch for when you're done playing and you don't want it to hear it anymore.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.